Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Callie. Happy birthday to you. Hey, make a wish. No more puppies, okay?
No puppies with me.
Yeah. Right now I'm on the kitchen pavilion, Kubo, second floor. See? Time check, about 5 o'clock. All the workers checking out. A little quiet. That's how it looks on the second floor. Flooring is pretty nice. You can see chill out area there, fish pond there, the walkways forming. This side got the terrace walls of plantation. We got some lemon trees, avocado tree. We got rambutan, mangosteen, even one special Carabao mango. I always wanted one. There. I got artichokes there. Got some kangkong, some kamoting kahoy, okra, burbas, calamansi, and down there got a lot of eggplants, peppers, lemoncito, lemons, etc., etc. And over here, tomorrow I'm gonna go down and spread some wildflower seeds I just bought. I'm gonna plant it all here, let it sprout up. There's some already up there on that row and that row that I got from the mountains, but these are seeds I'm gonna plant. We had the AC guys come by today. They're assessing the situation, measure. They're gonna come tomorrow and start installing the AC units. We've got 3 units, 2 1.5 horsepower for the bedrooms, which is ample enough, and a 2 horsepower for the living room area, the high ceiling. We made decisions on placement, where they're going to hook it up. I don't have a transformer yet. I don't have my solar yet, but I could probably run 1 air conditioning in the master bedroom for now without blowing things out. And look, I got the whole family out there. Nice. See the pathway? And on the other side are going to be planters. Here's the fish pond pool. Chill out area, overlooking area. Hello there. It's Thursday morning. Time check 9:10 a.m. Just arrived here. Excuse me. But there's a lot of things that's going on. Sunday we're gonna have a pre-blessing. We're gonna have a blessing. House 90% done. But we're doing a little early because my wife is leaving in a few days. So let's see what's going on today. So you can see the garage roof is just about done.
Morning, sir.
Good morning. There's a lot of shade and a place to go if it's raining. It's big. Hard to tell the size of this place, but it's big. Knowing me, I'll hang some hanging plants up there. But let's see what's going on. That's kind of cool. I'll show you. There's a little glimpse. They got some Kogon delivery. What they could get is scarce right now because of the rain and stuff. But it's going on. Oh, got this nice plant yesterday. Yeah, yesterday. Got this in Tagbilaran. In the plant park over there. Masuki to some girls over there. They know my truck. When they see me, they come running. Got some more of that African talisai. Oh, I think this is, see? Got some of that green talisai, which I really like. The shape of this is really nice. Got it in Tagbilaran. See, I got a lot of talisai spread all around. There. I got 3 or 4 over there. Got some down here. There. There. Over here too. There. Like I said in my early videos, I'm gonna put these babies here. It's on a hunt and search every time we go on a trip. But that talisai is going fast. But see the Kogon? Yeah, Cesar and Jovan are making it feel like Dora's house. I'm gonna leave that one natural. I'm not gonna trim it. It's pretty lush, from rocks and bad dirt to filling it with good dirt and putting nice plants. It's looking like a little arboretum. Wait till I place the potteries around. It's gonna look nice. This fish pond, we're going to collect rocks and make it look natural. Oh, here's another talisai I got. What I like about this is it's unique. It splits into 2 in the bottom. See? And goes up flat on top. Nice. Got some of these like horsetails, they call it. That'd be good for the pond. Probably use that for the small fish pond. But I got some plants for the big koi pond. That's we call it miracle fruit in the US. Here they call it magic berries. Hard to find sometimes, but every time I see it, I take it home. There's a small one and there's a big one. Got several downstairs. I think I got a total of 16. Yeah, 16. They're continuing the eco wood around the corner. It's kind of neat. Oh, I got this the other day from Agna Market. They have a plant area there. This is a baby, I call it moose fern, but I forgot what it's called. Staghorn fern. Yeah, staghorn fern. Nice. Morning. Maybe later today. Oh, before I forget. Yeah, yesterday we went to Tagbilaran and we were about to go home. We were Abinson. It's an electronics store. They got everything there. They got fridge, TVs, everything. And yeah, I threw down. But the big thing about that is we were about to go early, but I decided to buy more stuff and spending probably an extra hour there. And then when we were packing up, we heard that we were gonna go home. We heard that Baclayon, not Baclayon, the bridge by Lowai, it's on the way home. It's on the way home. It's a bridge. They're doing construction because they're having a new bridge built over there, and the old bridge is where everybody passes. And what happened was it collapsed. So far in the news, 4 people died, I think, and there's several more underwater. Some survived, but I'll pray for those people that are missing. You never know. When it's your time, it could have been us. But intervention again. Distracted by my living room wall. That's a new addition. See how crosses, we got these. On the other side, I got that. I call it the sardine run wall. There's gonna be a couch delivered today from Mandawi Foam. Okay, on that side I left kind of like flat wall because we're gonna add bookshelves there. A cloudy day today, but it feels nice. It's cool. But let me show you some developments. That's one for today. Pergola roof extending upwards. You can see they finished the steps going up. We'll go down there. Around the corner, it's kind of nice. This turns into a 45 angle. And that's a little ramp. They're continuing that. I like my little planter. I put a lot of seeds there. It's already sprouting. All those seeds I pick up when we go around. I gotta show you the pathway. The walkway on the bottom rung of these terraces. It's kind of nice. See? Look at that. Very, very slight slope, flat. Couple steps. Flat. Couple steps. It's gonna be nice. Goes all the way down. Hi guys. Morning. I'm gonna do some more landscaping around this area. Guess we're gonna have natural Tugas wood stairs. This part we reserved for planting. Make it like a rainforest from the fish pond. Got a lot more plants up there to plant. Underneath here, we're gonna add the air conditioning units with a split type, the outside part. I'm gonna add probably 3 in this area. And that's cool. That's cool.